Good morning, everybody. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. I'm on top of the world today. I am on a mine tailings pile. I'm above the trees. This is a big pile. This is a really big pile. It's pretty impressive up here. I'm so high. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? What a way to start your day. That is incredible. There's hills and the valleys are full of mist. Just a beautiful start to the day. So I'm up here in the Michigan UP, and I'm on a prospecting trip. Right now, I'm in the Michigan Upper Peninsula at a copper mine, and I just wanted to get a view of that. That is beautiful. They're just on top of the world here. I gotta watch my step while I'm holding the camera. But you can see how far up I am. I'm looking for unique and special specimens that I can take home and process or sell or do something with. They're in this light right now, it's hard to see anything. It all looks the same, it just looks like gray blotchy rocks. Down here you can see this is volcanic rock, basalt, and it's got a bunch of gas bubbles that filled up with different minerals. And there's different colors. There was a long one. And this is calcite. I'm not sure what the red one is. This red ore I haven't seen in other mines, but there's a bunch of calcite and there's the red ore surrounding it. Sometimes you find some copper surrounding it, which is quite rare, but beautiful. So a piece like this you could cut open and polish, and it'll be quite pretty. I might keep that one. But the different colors in here could stand out and be very pretty when polished. So I'm just looking around. There's epidote crystals, there's calcite, and then the red. Here's another one of those gas pockets with the two different minerals. They're very hard to extract on their own. Here is a piece with all three together. But it's pretty stuff. There's a much larger piece there. That one I might even keep. That's quite a chunk in there. 3 different colors. So that's what we're here for. I have a friend that came with me. Where there? Look at that. Yeah, so let me take you up onto the other pile and let's get a view of the world from up there. I'm a bit out of breath. I just climbed the hill. How on earth did they get that this high? I can't believe they did that. Oh wow, this goes on and on and on. Look at that beauty out there. This is why I climbed. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? What a way to start your day. There's the sun shining. What a way to start your day. Wow. And there's where I was just a minute ago. Our camp is down there. Nothing much spectacular up here. Pretty much all the same, but it's been heavily picked over. It's been heavily picked over. But wow, these are amazingly huge piles. I just don't get how they did that. Look at that. I just don't get how they did it. so high up. Way higher than the treetops. Oh wow. Actually, I've never been out this far on this hill. I'll be careful when I'm walking with the camera. Beautiful. I've never been to the house piles either, but it's probably all the same. This was a copper mine, 100 to 150 years ago. And wow, that's down there a long ways. Look at that. And these are the tailings piles. Oh, there's a concrete pad. There's nothing left of the structures. There's some timbers here and there in the pile. The mine, there's a hole over there. They filled it in with concrete. Pieces of the buildings, I guess. There's another timber. That's probably mine timbers that just came out with the tailings. And watch my step. This is a narrow ridge up here. Hard pack though. Whew. Look at that. I want to check that one out later on. There's heavy traffic. You can see the pathways. People have been on these a lot. That's just a massive, mind-blowing amount of material. That is beautiful. Look at that. The mist over the land. The camera can never do it justice. Well, I'll take you over and show you my camp. And then I'm going to get going with my day. It's hard to see, the sun is shining in. There's my camp. This is my home for the next 7 to 10 days. And this is not my beloved beast of a truck. Oh, you can't see it. I'll have to show you that later. This is a different truck. My truck broke in half the other day on a job, and sadly, that was the end. So I got a Chevy S10, and it was perfect for this trip because it gets 26 miles to the gallon. I got 23 against the wind coming up. A hard wind. So, here's my home. And right now I'm throwing stuff on the bed to get ready for travel. And I've got all my prospecting equipment down here. I've got sluice boxes, water pumps, stands, gold panning sets, and I've got buckets. I've got everything. I've got more sluice boxes and a coffee maker. I'm going to be doing some cool reviews and videos out here. I got all my foods, and I've got all my kitchen supplies, and the power inverter I'm going to review. Solar panels, solar power. I mean, I'm hooked up for the duration. I've got everything I need. I won't have to buy anything at all on this trip. So there's my home right there. And it's pretty comfortable. The cap came with it. I'll get you a better shot later on. But the cap came with it. And it was cozy and comfortable. I think it was 50 degrees last night. It was supposed to be. 53. 53?
When I got up this morning.
Oh, when you got up. Okay. Well, it's, anyway, I was comfortable. There is a nice looking specimen. I don't know if you can see it. It glitters nicely. I'm going to see if I can do something with that piece. The rest of the rock is pretty much garbage. Well, actually, I could polish that up, and it's got colors in it. Might be pretty. I've got some pieces with a lot of little epidote coloring. Maybe make a necklace or a pendant from that. And another one. Just really pretty pieces. There's some calcite and epidote. Might be able to polish one side and make a necklace or something. Yeah, just looking for ideas for jewelry making. And that's for bears. That should scare away any intelligent creature.